I'm Garo Kedigan, and I'm a New York City interior designer. I come to Paris 3 or 4 times a year, shopping at the Paris flea markets. The market is open year-round, believe it or not. The flea market is not part of Paris. It's actually right outside of Paris. It's very important to tell the cab driver that you are going to Rue de Rossier in Saint-Ouen. Otherwise, they'll take you to Rue de Rossier in Paris, which is not the flea market. When I arrive at the flea markets, I run over to the shipping office where I pick up what is known as a carnet. The carnet is basically a booklet with a bunch of pages in it, and corresponding are some tags and some stickers. In France, when you negotiate a price, that's it. Once you've shaken your hands, you don't go back. But the beauty is you don't have to come with any cash. You give them a page from the booklet with all the detailed information and give them a tag or a sticker which they place onto the piece. And you can wire the money directly to the shipper. Because I'm an interior designer, of course, I love to come to the market that has the furniture pieces. And these two are the Serpette, the indoor market, and Paul Bert, the outdoor market. I always love coming to the flea markets in September. The vendors all take the month of August off and they're traveling all over the world, putting together a bunch of lovely things. So I'd say the end of September is always the most lucrative. It is customarily good manners to come into a booth and say, "Bonjour monsieur, bonjour madame," address the shopkeepers. It's okay to actually switch over to English, and they're prepared to negotiate with you in English. Thank you so much for joining me. Au revoir.